My name is Charlie Chick, and I want to demonstrate our Ameret Flame shield and show exactly how an easy paint can become very fire retardant. So the first thing I'd like to do is show that I'm going to paint a piece of fiberglass cloth. So you can see it's 1/32 of an inch thick, and I'm going to paint it on this stand. And this stand will eventually become a fire barrier, of which we will put 1800 degrees directly onto the coating, onto the fiberglass cloth, and then we will check for penetration. And so I'm going to start that coating it right now. I have my Ameret Flame shield, comes in 5-gallon pails. Open it up, stir it up. Kind of hold it up so that you actually can see the paint, what it looks like. I'll get the brush. I'm going to try to put the coating on just like a normal painted coat, which would be around 3 mils, somewhere in that vicinity. Now, for demonstration purposes, it's not going to be a pretty coat, because obviously this would be more stable or on a table or something to get the coating on. But for demonstration purposes, I think this will show what we want to do. Obviously, if this paint was on a wood substrate or some other type of substrate, it would go on a lot smoother. But again, for demonstration purposes, we're going to show the strength of the flame shield on just this piece of cloth. Make sure everything is covered. Okay, now I'm going to let that dry overnight, usually 8 to 10 hours, and then we'll come back and actually put a torch to it and see if we can burn a hole through it. Well, hello, we're back again. We're going to do our test. Our coating has dried. It's been about 12 to 14 hours, and we've let it solidly dry. And what I'm going to do is going to explain. We have a 1800 degree torch over here. It's a propane torch. When the flame turns blue, it's at approximately 1800 degrees. And sometimes it's not visible on film, so every once in a while I'll put a piece of paper through it to show that there's a burn there. And so now I'll set our cloth up in front of set this up in front of the fire. And we'll get it fairly close. About right in there. And then what I want to do first is I want to demonstrate that the actual cloth itself, it actually is flammable. So that's the exact same cloth that we used that we coated, so it is flammable. We just put our coating on the side that we're going to face the fire with. So now we'll start the burn. You also see the backside here too. I mean, with the camera, and you see the backside. You can get them both in. And I like to say, I stand behind the product.
It is crazy.
I want to stand behind the product. Just in case the flame is not visible, a piece of